Can mold inside ductwork make my family sick? Yes, mold in ductwork can spread spores and irritate breathing, especially for people with allergies, asthma, or weak immune systems, but a professional inspection is needed to confirm the source. Mold grows when dust, moisture, and poor airflow stay together inside the heating and cooling system. When the system runs, it can move mold spores through the home, where people may breathe them in. Possible effects include a stuffy nose, coughing, wheezing, sore throat, itchy eyes, headaches, or worsening asthma. These symptoms can also come from many other causes, so they do not prove that the ducts are responsible. A little dust in a vent is not automatically mold, and dark spots may be dirt or rust instead. A lesser-known clue is that mold can grow on the insulation around ducts, especially when warm, damp air causes water to collect there. Stop the moisture source, replace wet filters, and have a qualified duct professional inspect suspicious growth before cleaning or sealing anything. One common mistake is spraying bleach or fragrance into the vents, which may spread irritating chemicals and usually does not fix hidden moisture, so use proper cleaning methods instead. Another mistake is paying for duct cleaning based only on a musty smell, because odors can come from carpets, walls, or drains, so ask for photographs and an explanation of the moisture source. People also sometimes keep using a damaged system while waiting for repairs, so improve ventilation, keep indoor humidity near 30 to 50%, and ask a medical professional about persistent breathing symptoms. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.